Man, I just absolutely love this, right? Check out this. This is AUD, right? Australian dollar versus US dollar. That did a nice rise going up this way, right? This week. So if you understood how to analyze this chart and understand why it's going to rise, you'll be able to take advantage of some of these up trends that took place, and these represents opportunities to make money when it was going in this direction. Now it started to correct. There was this nice downtrend this morning. Some people took advantage of it. It went back up, and based on the number of times it hit up here and reversed, along with here and here, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, a number of reversals, and down here. So it seems like this is a nice zone for it to reverse in, right? A band. And it started falling. See, it started falling here. A little bit of pullback, but started falling. And then let's check out what's happening with gold, right? Let's check out what's happening with gold. And, you could trade gold. You could stay at home and trade gold. Look, start of the week, rose. Why? Because the dollar went through some turmoil because of the collapse of the Silicon Valley Bank. And then with that, a lot of people rushed to gold. See, it shot up. And then it's, consolidated a bit, shot up some more. It came back down. People were making money going up. People were making money coming down. People were making money in both directions. And then at the end of the week, it shot way up. And it came up to here and it started falling. Why? Because next week, the Fed is expected to raise interest rates. And with that happening, people are going to be running from gold back into the dollar to capture some of those bonds at higher rates, right? Then in addition to that, silver. Let's look at silver. Let's look at what happened with silver. Silver as well, right? At the beginning of the week, see? Wow, look at that. Rose again, and it was all the way up here. And why is it starting to fall? Because the Fed is expected to raise interest rates this coming week, which means people are going to be trying to get those bonds, so they're going to have to sell some of their assets to go and get some of those bonds with higher returns. So it's a really wonderful thing when you understand the financial markets. You could come in here and tap into it, ladies and gentlemen, and make some great money. Indices fell. This index fell today. US 30 fell down here. And this was a great opportunity for those who anticipated a fall because it had a big rise. Had this nice W pattern here, right? This nice W pattern here. And when people see this pattern this way, it suggests that, okay, it will come back down and maybe come at least halfway here. But in this case, it went further. This is such a wonderful skill set to have. Oil. Let's look at what's going on with oil. You could literally trade oil. See, oil had a big sell-off. When it was here and it started rising, I thought it was going to go back up, and I entered some trades, and I got my head busted. But, it came way down, way below where I thought it would have been. And then based on this, it seems like it's kind of caught a floor because here it had a nice reversal, another reversal. And it's on a really low price right now, $65. Is it going to stay there for a while before it rises again? We have to wait and see, right? Because with the dollar rising in value next week, it's going to have a tough time getting up off this floor, all right? So very interesting asset, very interesting classes of assets that I just covered in this just few minutes. I learned this, ladies and gentlemen, from Xtreamfx Academy. My name is Dr. Harry Benjamin. And if you asked me a year ago, 2 years ago, what was AUD USD, I could not answer. If you ask me what's XAU USD, XAG USD, I couldn't answer. US 30, I would not be able to answer you. And today I'm online showing you these charts and explaining to you what's going to happen. And if you check after a few days, you'll see that what I'm saying is going to happen happens. And when you understand those trends and how things work, then you could position yourself to make some money as the market is going through its beautiful changes. All right. Until my next video. Bye for now. My number is in the message box below. Let's get connected so you could be a part of one of the greatest movements happening on planet Earth. Love and appreciate you all. Until next time. Bye for now.